What will win in a drag race between a BMW M550i and an Audi RS6? Well, in this video, we are going to find out. You see, this is the M Lite, but I know it's rapid. And the RS6 isn't as quick as an M5 in a drag race in the dry. However, today it's a little bit damp, and the Audi is good in the damp. What's this going to be like? Well, we're going to find out. Now, before we do, I'm going to tell you the stats. So this car has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8, like you get in an M5, only, I say only, it puts out 530 horsepower and 750 newton meters of torque. The engine drives all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. And this car weighs in at just over 1,900 kilos. If you want one of these, £71,000, which makes it a bit of a bargain when you consider it's not much slower or less powerful than a full fat M5, and that costs over £100,000. As for the Audi, it has a 4 litre twin turbo V8 with 600 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. It's got quattro all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It's a bit heavier than this though, just over 2 tons. More expensive as well, starts from £95,000. Now we're going to see what happens, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted whenever we make a new upload. Also, if you're thinking about buying a new car, you can click on the pop-out banner up there to go to carwow to see how much you can save. Alternatively, later on you can just Google "Help Me Carwow" and my team and I will help you choose the right car for you and get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers. That's enough of that. Let's get on with what you're really here for. Drag race!
Buying a new car? Then head to carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
As ever, before we race, we're going to do a sound check. So let's rev this little boy up. Bit of a soft limiter, but at least you get to 4.5. Well, I like the way it flexes the car when you rev it. Oh yeah. Sounds all right. Let's have a listen to that Audi. Go on, rev up the Audi. It sounds rubbish. The soft limiter and that comes in at like 3,000 RPM. Yeah, this sounds better. You can stop that. Let's race. You might win that. We shall see. Okay, let's go on with it.
3, 2, 1.
I'll beat him off the line. Oh, I did. My reaction was better. This kind of felt a little bit soft. It didn't have the hard kick that you get in that. And I just went and lost. Difference isn't huge though. What was your launch like, RS6?
This is like a greyhound off the line. I could feel all 4 wheels grabbing for grip and just launching me. It's just mega.
I did actually beat you off the line though, but that was just my reaction.
I did get quite a chunk of wheel spin, if that's possible in 4-wheel drive, but it really did spin up a bit. It crabbed off the line and then just pinned.
But my reaction was better, maybe?
I don't know. We'll have to let the judges decide. My brain says no, but my heart says yes.
I think it's the other way round. I think your heart says no and your brain says yes.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds. The BMW finished in 11.9 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their comfiest settings. Automatic for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in. Here we are. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, kick down. This was so slow at kicking down. And the R6 is just going. Now it's kind of not really increasing its lead that much. Whoa, get on the brakes. There's the end of the runway. Oh dear. Yeah, I should put the hazards on. That's exactly what my heart was doing. Don't want to go off the end there. Anyway, I lost that. Clear victory for you there, RS6, I think.
Yeah, it was quite an aggressive kick down, but it was mega. Just launched. Awesome piece of kit.
Yeah, this car was definitely in comfort mindset. It was like, well, you want to go quicker? All right then, just let me find the right gear. There we go, let's head off now. But once that was ahead, it didn't really increase its lead by all that much, not as much as I thought it might have done. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing again, but this time cars in their sportier setting, locked in third gear, manual mode for the gearboxes. Let's do it. Let's take the kick down out of the equation. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this picks up pretty nice. Not quite as nice as that RS6. And he's just easing ahead. But once again, not by loads. And not by about £25,000 worth. These hazard lights are so blooming sensitive, you just slow down anything that's a little bit more abrupt than just actually slowing a rate like an oil tanker. It just starts going, nip, 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 warning, I'm slowing. I wonder if when you put it in reverse, it beeps like a lorry as well. No, it doesn't do that. It's fine. Anyway, RS6, how was that for you?
Yeah, it seemed as though it looked quite level, and then this just kept on winding up and up and up, and it felt like the longer the runway, the more I was going to beat you by. It just felt limitless power. Amazing.
But that power cost you an extra £25,000, and I don't think the gap was 25 grand's worth. Do you?
I did look good doing it though, so there's a lot to be said for looks.
What do you think? Let us know in the comments. 25 grand for the extra power? Just waving my finger around. And actually, I've accidentally just activated the gesture control in this. Can you hear that? Can you hear the radio? Yeah, I turned it down. It thought I was doing that. Anyway, that's enough of that. Right, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. See which car stops in the shortest distance. Here comes the line. Better put that down. Where is the line? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, it's close. Oh, that one. Oh. Okay, it's fine for them to be going off now because that was a full emergency stop. That's fine. I'll let you off on this occasion. RS6 won. It won. Simple as. Nothing else for me to say, really. Now, if you'd like to see a deal that's available through carwow, one of these cars, pretty impressive, put a little link up there. She'll be popping out now. If you can't see that, there is the link below the video so you can check it out, see how much you can save on one of these cars. Interesting. As ever, please make sure you follow me on Instagram, @WatsonCars, for some behind the scenes stuff so you can see what we're filming before we actually put it live on YouTube. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you click on those windows there, you can watch more drag races, and if you click on that box there, you can actually check out the carwow drag race leaderboard where you can check out all the times of the cars we've raced.